If you are a startup, these two things should be in place from the day one.
Okay.
For sure.
So what according to you is branding?
David Warner's ad. I think that is amazing.
तो वहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट लूज कर देते हैं. It is all about
क्या आने वाला है, अब क्या आने वाला है, अब क्या करेंगे ये लोग.
क्या मॉडल्स को फॉलो किया जा सकता है पूरे ब्रांड स्ट्रेटेजी के प्रोसेस में? Right.
So the first thing is brainstorming amazing ideas. That targeting becomes so difficult because not everyone can be your audience.
Buyer. Right.
Okay, what are his interest on the current social media applications which he uses. So second step, strategy and planning. Reach, act,
Okay.
convert and engage.
एक बार हमारी ऑडियंस को स्टेप्स का फ्रेमवर्क बता दो कैसे चलता है.
Social currency is what people are talking about. इंदिरा नगर का गुंडा हूँ मैं.
हाँ.
Something new because audience want to see something new. Investment was not a Gen Z thing. India में क्या चल रहा है? Then it comes to optimization.
So hi guys, today we have Bhargavi Mishra with us. She has good 4 years of experience in marketing and she has written a book as well. Book का नाम क्या है?
The problem with motivation.
The problem with motivation. इसका लिंक भी मैं डाल दूंगा. And so today we'll be discussing how brand strategy works for startups and must watch this video. इसमें बहुत कुछ मिलने वाला है आपको. आज के नए स्टार्टअप्स को जो आ रहे हैं मार्केट में, इंडियन मार्केट में स्पेशली, should they be focusing more on sales in the initial days या ब्रांडिंग पे फोकस करना चाहिए?
For sure, sales and marketing. If you are a startup, these two things should be in place from the day one.
Okay.
Yes, I really feel that.
कैसे, मतलब मार्केटिंग क्या करनी चाहिए?
First, they should know who their target audience is. What is their brand message? What exactly they want to convey to their brand. I think that's the branding if we talk about. So all these things, who are your customer? What do you want to convey? What are your 30 days content plan?
Okay.
How are you taking your brand message forward? Who will be the ambassadors of the brand? If you're a startup, I suppose you're not able to collaborate or have that big brand ambassadors. But I think at this time, when the creators economy is at peak, you can always collaborate with influencers.
Okay.
And influencer marketing is definitely a good strategy.
Okay.
If you are starting a business and you want to do branding and marketing and take it to a level, if you're a startup.
Okay.
For sure.
So what according to you is branding?
There are a lot of videos on YouTube and Instagram that logo is branding or particular color type is branding. I believe the first point, the first thing which comes to your mind whenever you think about a brand, it might not need to be a logo or a person or a color. It's the feel. The first thought, period, which comes to your mind when you talk about a brand. That is, I think, branding.
Okay.
And it needs not to be a very old brand. People used to consider that if you're a 40-year-old brand, 30-year-old brand like Coca-Cola or Nike, then only you have branding in place. But no. Even if you are a 2-year-old or a 3-year-old startup or even a 6-year-old startup, at today's time, with correct branding, I think you can for sure position yourself.
How about जो अभी recently जिन्होंने अपने business को commence किया है, मतलब 6 months हुए या 1 year हुआ है, they can also do branding?
For sure. There is a recent brand which I think just started their marketing from February by the name of Angi Wali.
Okay.
And recently Komal Pandey wore their dress. So from starting a page from scratch to affording, I don't know what it was, a brand deal or what, but for sure they are in everyone's eyes.
So February this year
This
only?
year only.
Okay.
And they're growing like anything.
Achha.
And their content is just amazing. And that's just a normal blouse piece brand.
Okay.
No t-shirts, no lehengas, nothing, just a blouse piece.
Okay.
That too very traditional from Rajasthan. So they have done wonders, to be very honest.
Okay.
So I believe yes, that's possible.
So how to strategize? I mean, branding जो है ना, I mean, for me, branding is finding the right gap in the market. I mean, क्या problems है customer की, उसी के according, I mean, you'll be able to find the right gap in the market. क्या customer की problems है and उन problems को कैसे address किया जाए, that is also a branding, that is also a part of branding.
Agreed.
Right. So कैसे strategize करें इसको?
if you are solving a problem and that's a major gap and you have discovered that gap, now you are investing your time and you are building a startup. So first you should be vocal about it, and I think that is the branding all about, that you are conveying that, you know, I'm there, I'm solving this problem, like Cred is doing. They are solving a great problem. They are rewarding people, that too just for paying their bills, right? But how they will be vocal? First, they need to understand their audience. Second, they need to brainstorm amazing ideas. Third, they need to do good campaign planning.
Okay.
Then they need to execute well. We'll come on all these stages.
Right.
And then they should optimize whatever they are doing. So if suppose I'm a startup, so I should do something which is very unexpected. I think all the ads which Cred have covered till now were very unexpected. Have you ever expected that much anger issues from Rahul Dravid? Never. And the recent ad which came just 1 week ago, that is David Warner's ad. I think that is amazing. I had never thought that you know, Cred could do something like that, or that cricketer. You know, we have a certain image of people in their minds. Same as that, we have certain image of brands. If you're a brand, if you're able to break that image every time you are releasing a new campaign, a brand campaign, I think that's a very good.
And basic human psychology bhi hai. I mean, if a consumer or a target audience, your target audience, अगर वो एक्सपेक्ट कर लेते हैं या उनको पता लग जाता है आपके इनिशियली, मतलब कोई कैंपेन चल रहा है, इनिशियली अगर उन्होंने देखा और उन्होंने रिजल्ट जो है उसका एंटिसिपेट कर लिया, तो वहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट लूज कर देते हैं. इट इज ऑल अबाउट कि आप उसको एंगेज कैसे करके रखते हो अपनी कैंपेन के थ्रू. राइट.
डेफिनेटली जो लास्ट स्टेप होता है वो एंगेजमेंट होता है और रिटेंशन होता है. व्हेन योर ऑडियंस इज एक्साइटेड कि अब क्या आने वाला है, अब क्या आने वाला है, अब क्या करेंगे ये लोग. करेक्ट. सो दैट इज व्हेन यू कैन से दैट यू हैव डन द राइट ब्रांडिंग, दैट योर ऑडियंस इज एक्साइटेड अबाउट, एंड नाउ दे नो दैट if I'm talking about any brand, you know, they are going to do this is the person, this is the idea, this is the product. So
okay, process. I mean, let's talk about कि एक brand strategy का जो process है, उस process में क्या क्या elements होते हैं, कैसे उस पर काम किया जा सकता है, क्या models को follow किया जा सकता है पूरे brand strategy के process में.
Surely. So first you need to understand your product. If you are able to understand your product and think from customer's perspective, then you will be able to come up with good ideas. Right. So the first thing is brainstorming amazing ideas, understanding your audience. In that, mostly we do customer mapping, and then we create personas of our potential audience. So that when you do, you have a clear picture that this is my audience. You know, they have this spending capacity, they have this interest, they are of this certain age group. So your targeting gets very clear. Because when you are creating a brand campaign, you are basically targeting a person. If you don't know that who is that person, that targeting becomes so difficult because not everyone can be your audience.
Buyer's persona को explain कर सकते हो क्या होता है?
Personas are these imaginary characters that you create while you are solving a problem for them. By taking them as that these are your potential customer audience. So suppose I have to create a persona. This is a Raj. Raj can vary from 18 to 25 years. If I have to market for a social media application. Now my target audience will be 18 to 25. Now this is a reel or probably any video marketing application. Then what are his interests? Where do he spend most of his time? Which devices he use? Okay, what are his interests on the current social media applications which he uses? And basically all these. So from age to interest to behavior, is he a shopper or not? So all these things matter. It could vary from industry to industry. If I have to make a persona for a shopping brand, I have to check whether this person is a engaged shopper or not. So that's how you create these imaginary characters that this is X, this is Y, this age from 18 to 20, this is from 40 to 50. So it varies from industry to industry.
Okay, ठीक है. So वापस प्रोसेस पे आते हैं. ठीक है, क्या है हमारा प्रोसेस पूरा?
Okay, so second step, strategy and planning.
Right.
So now this is one of the most important, where you have to choose the right framework. So there are multiple.
This is very important segment.
Yes, there are multiple frameworks available in the market. Very common is AIDA, RACE, 4 P's of marketing.
What is RACE?
RACE is reach, act,
okay,
convert and engage.
Oh, nice.
So this is somewhere similar to idea, that first you have to reach to your audience, then you have to act. So as in whatever you have created, it could be the campaigns, it could be the video, social media, website, then you have to present them, the audience will engage, and then you have to retain them.
Right.
So this is also one of the concept which is not that much used. Then there is steps.
Normally तो आइडा मॉडल को ही
आइडा मॉडल is used mostly.
Even आप सर्च भी करोगे तो आइडा मॉडल सबसे पहले उठ के आता है.
Exactly. Because जब भी हमें मार्केटिंग सिखाई जाती है तो आइडा मॉडल पढ़ाया जाता है. बाकी जो मॉडल्स होते हैं ये आपको या तो बुक्स में मिलते हैं, या फिर अगर आप प्रोफेसर्स जो मार्केटिंग में काफ़ी फेमस है उन्हें फॉलो करते हैं तब मिलते हैं. Right. तो स्टेप्स इज वन ऑफ द गुड फ्रेमवर्क्स.
ओके, सो स्टेप्स का एक फ्रेमवर्क आपने बोला. एक बार हमारी ऑडियंस को स्टेप्स का फ्रेमवर्क बता दो, कैसे चलता है, कैसे काम करता है.
सो स्टेप्स फ्रेमवर्क इज STEPPS: सोशल करेंसी, ट्रिगर्स, इमोशंस, प्रैक्टिकल वैल्यू, पब्लिक एंड स्टोरीज. So when it comes to social currency is what people are talking about. You know,
right.
Whatever is at the eyes of public, that is social currency.
Correct.
So if we take Cred's example, they have taken the people who are already in people's eyes. Okay, right. So that is one thing, and the things people are talking about. Okay. Second, if we take the Rahul Dravid's campaign, if we are specifically talking about campaigns, so when it comes to trigger, so the trigger word is Indranagar. Indranagar ka gunda hu main. Right? So if anyone goes to Bangalore and they heard Indranagar, no, this thing comes to their mind. Even I've never heard about this word, but now whenever we listen about this word or anything, so this thing comes into our mind.
Right.
Then
हमारे
emotions.
subconscious mind में आ चुका है.
Exactly. Emotions. Now everybody knew that guy is super calm.
Correct.
You know, he doesn't get that, you know, we don't have that anger issues.
Right.
But that's what they did. You know, they broke that stereotype. कि जो चल रहा है वो नहीं, something new, because audience want to see something new.
Every time.
Exactly. So they hit the emotion that no, this is not like, this is something new, that this guy also can have anger issues. Okay, then practical value is that you have to solve a tangible problem at that time only. So their product feature, what they were doing is their product feature at that time. So they were eventually solving a tangible problem at that time. Then when it comes to public, you know, people like to share. And this is one thing, if people are watching you, then other people will watch you and people will watch you.
Right.
So this is one thing. So that's how when this campaign came out, I think Virat Kohli, Deepika Padukone, everyone shared it. And then eventually it got viral. All the marketing pages, all the meme pages covered it. So I think
self-reinforcement हो गया वहाँ पे.
Exactly. So that was it, and the end point is story. Stories are very important when it comes to marketing, branding, anything. You need to be a very good storyteller if you are into branding and marketing. Even if it's a 30-second ad, 40-second ad or a 50-second ad, a story needs to be there.
Right.
How will you resonate with your audience?
Right.
If the storytelling is not there. In all the ads, if you see that how Grow, it was a, if we take example of Grow brand, investment was not a Gen Z thing. Exactly. Correct. But if you see their ad, कि इंडिया में क्या चल रहा है, ग्रो चल रहा है, that ad was everywhere. ग्रो चल रहा है, and Gen Z people कि झूले पे पड़े and in gym and everywhere. So that was, you know, their marketing team's storytelling that no, you can be a youngster and you can use this app. These mutual funds, SIP are not just for, you know, people above age 40.
Right.
Anyone can use it above age 18. So this was their they have discovered their target audience. They have created a good campaign. Storytelling was right.
Right.
And I think everything was in place,
Right.
and that was
And-
actually a successful campaign.
राइट एंड स्टोरी टेलिंग पे तो हमने एक पॉडकास्ट किया भी है, सो उसका लिंक भी डाल दूंगा मैं. राइट. ओके, सो हमने फ्रेमवर्क्स डिस्कस किए पूरे. व्हाट आर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स? आगे कैसे?
Then it comes to optimization. Whenever you are creating a campaign, so most people would do is they think the strategy part is done, execution is done, so now it's done. No, you need to optimize that campaign. Now there are multiple types of campaigns: social media campaign, paid campaign. In paid campaigns, so for sure you have to optimize it
Right.
almost every third day.
Right.
So optimization is very important. People miss out on
एक
this.
बहुत बेसिक लैंग्वेज में अगर ऑप्टिमाइजेशन हम अपनी ऑडियंस को समझाएं तो जो डेटा हम कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं ना हमारे प्रीवियस कैंपेन से या हमारे करंट कैंपेन्स जो चल रहे हैं उनसे जो डेटा कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं उन डेटा को एनालाइज करना एंड उनके बेसिस पे ना हमारे करंट कैंपेन्स में चेंजेस करना है, इज कॉल्ड ऑप्टिमाइजेशन.
लोगों को क्या पसंद आ रहा है, क्या
Right.
नहीं पसंद आ रहा है.
Right.
क्योंकि अगर आप एक मार्केटर हैं, आप डेटा पर आगे काम करेंगे. आपको एक क्रिएटिव पर्सन और एक एनालिटिकल पर्सन साथ में होना पड़ेगा.
हाँ,
I always
correct,
say
correct.
this. क्योंकि जब तक आपका कैंपेन बन रहा है, स्ट्रैटेजी चल रही है, तब तक आपको एक बहुत क्रिएटिव पर्सन होना होगा. जैसे ही वो कैंपेन लॉन्च हुआ, उसके बाद यू नीड टू बी वेरी एनालिटिकल. What is happening, how your audience is reacting, what ad is working, what is not working, which influencer campaign is working, which is not working, where is the gap. So all these things needs to be clearly covered by an marketer.
राइट. ओके, हमने स्ट्रेटेजी करी, एग्जीक्यूट करा, ऑप्टिमाइज करा, ठीक है, ये हमारा पूरा प्रोसेस फॉलो हो गया. नाउ विल कीप ऑन एडिंग न्यू कैंपेन्स इन इट, न्यू स्ट्रेटजीज इसमें इवॉल्व करते जाएंगे और देन इट्स अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. मतलब ये चलता ही रहेगा, ये रुकने वाला प्रोसेस नहीं है. बट ये ना एक बहुत टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस है. मतलब हम ब्रांडिंग स्ट्रेटजीज बनाना ही अपने आप में बहुत एक टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस है. देन कम्स टू एग्जीक्यूशन एंड उसके बाद आता है हमारा ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. बहुत टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस है. शॉर्टकट है इसका कोई?
I don't think so. There is a shortcut for a good campaign.
ओके.
If you are creating a good campaign, आपको एक अच्छा कैंपेन बनाना है जो लोगों तक पहुंचे, आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो क्लियर उसमें कन्वे हो, आपका मैसेज कन्वे हो, तो आई थिंक इट विल टेक टाइम.
बट I'll tell you कि why I'm asking this, क्योंकि जब ये वाला प्रोसेस शुरू होता है ना, आधे लोग तो बीच में ही छोड़ देते हैं. ठीक है, आधे स्टार्टअप्स बीच में ही, आई मीन दे थिंक कि ये काम करने वाला नहीं है, और मे बी व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दे आर थिंकिंग कि उनका वैसा एक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा है, इसलिए वो बीच में ही उसको ड्रॉप कर देते हैं. तो कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है हमारे पास इस पूरे प्रोसेस को जहाँ से हम इसको जल्दी एग्जीक्यूट कर सके. ऐसा कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है हमारे पास.
इन ब्रांडिंग आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर इज एनी शॉर्टकट. बट येस, आई वुड लाइक टू से वन थिंग, जिनको भी ऐसा लगता है जो बीच में छोड़ देते हैं, प्लीज डोंट गेट बॉक्ड डाउन बाय दिस वेनिटी मेट्रिक्स. Please don't bog down that if numbers are not coming, followers are not coming, or your paid campaigns are not performing that good. Every campaign takes time. After proper optimization, after multiple optimizations, the results come. Even if it's a performance marketing campaign, an influencer campaign, social media marketing campaign, there are multiple campaigns, email marketing campaigns. All of them take time.
Right.
Especially
right.
in delivering the results and getting the numbers, it takes time.
Right.
If you are in it for the long term, you should stick to your plan and stand still there.
यंगेस्ट स्टार्टअप्स को क्या टिप्स देना चाहोगे स्पेसिफिक टू ब्रांडिंग, ब्रांड स्ट्रेटजी?
Okay, so I think first we discussed about it. Storytelling is very important. Today's
And it is by far the oldest method of marketing, storytelling. अगर ये आपको आती है तो आप ब्रांड बना ही लोगे.
yes, there used to be nukkad nataks when social media was not there.
Right.
So from very long time, I think in India we are using it. And right now audience is very smart. People don't buy things for the sake of things.
Right.
You know, our audience is very smart. They want to know the story behind the brand and not just the story, who is the founder, why he started that. I think that's why we always write the mission, vision, and what are the core values of the brands.
Right.
Because today no one is just buying things just because they liked it. They want to have a whole know the story. And as a marketer, you should always try to create good stories around your brand.
Correct.
Second, you need to be authentic. Even if you're trying to copy things, I think that book is very nice. Steal Like an Artist.
Right.
That is an amazing book. Yes, you can copy, but still, the core message of that book was try to be authentic in your way, even if you're trying to copy something.
वो हमारे बचपन में बोलते थे स्कूल में नकल के लिए भी अकल की जरूरत है.
इन टुडेज टाइम सोशल मीडिया में हर ब्रांड एक दूसरे को कॉपी करने का ट्राई कर रहा है. दैट्स वाई जो ऑथेंटिसिटी है वो मिस आउट हो रही है. दैट is required. Some brands are doing it amazingly, and shout out to them. Other brands who are just growing, they need to focus on being authentic. Sometimes it's not about going with the trend. Some audio is trending, some hook step is trending, so everyone is doing that. सबके social media पे वही चल रहा है. Yes, that will give you a certain number of views, but उसके साथ में भी you should have a story going on.
Right. Otherwise आगे क्या?
Exactly. वो खत्म हो गया. वो जो ट्रेंड है वो 15 दिन आएगा चलेगा. मैक्स टू मैक्स 20 दिन
आपका ग्राफ ऐसे जाएगा एंड देन वो अपने आप जीरो हो जाएगा एंड उसके बाद वो खत्म, वहाँ पे सारा कुछ
खत्म हो जाएगा. तो आप अपनी एक स्टोरी, अपनी ऑथेंटिसिटी लेके चलिए. उसके बाद UCG जो कंटेंट स्ट्रैटेजी होती है, दैट इज बेस्ट. यूजर जनरेटेड कंटेंट. इफ यू आर अ ब्रांड एंड इफ यू आर अ प्रोडक्ट ब्रांड, आई थिंक दिस विल वर्क द बेस्ट फॉर यू. आप अपने जो यूजर्स हैं उन्हें इनकरेज करिए कि वो आपका प्रोडक्ट लें और उसके अराउंड कंटेंट बनाएं, एंड देन डू दैट. आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द ब्रांड्स आर डूइंग दैट. इफ वी विल सी द एड्स ऑफ सपोज बेला वीटा और एनी अदर ब्रांड,
बेला वीटा तो बहुत ज्यादा
they are using podcast as ads. Whatever Converse, Traya, they are using user testimonials as campaigns, as paid campaigns, right? So that is very important. People who have been to Shark Tanks, they're using those clips for ads.
Right.
So UCG is very important. If you will, if you can do that, I think that will be great for your brand. Because people resonate with that there is a credibility in this brand. I think credibility is one of the most important thing when it comes to branding.
Right. So Bhargavi, thank you so much for coming, and it was indeed an insightful discussion.
Thank you so much for having me.
हाँ, एंड हमारे स्टार्टअप्स जितने भी हैं इंडिया में, मस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो, क्योंकि इसमें आपको बहुत कुछ मिलने वाला है. बहुत सारे फ्रेमवर्क्स हमने डिस्कस किए हैं, ब्रांडिंग स्ट्रेटेजी कैसे एग्जीक्यूशन होता है, ऑप्टिमाइजेशन से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस की हैं. ऑल्दो दिस इज़ अ लेंदी प्रोसेस, बट इस पूरे प्रोसेस को फॉलो करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इफ़ यू वांट टू टर्न योर बिजनेस इनटू अ ब्रांड. ठीक है, तो मस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो. और अगर आपने अभी तक लाइक, फॉलो, शेयर नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ डू इट यार, हमें हेल्प होगी.